like, oh, let me ask ChatGPT.
Oh my God.
I don't have, I mean, here, we have health insurance, but who can I find is available at 4 o'clock, right, for a hurricane? So I take a picture of the leg, and I give it to ChatGPT, and I say, here's what happened, plywood, like, here's what I took a picture of the product we've been using, and ChatGPT says, that doesn't look very good. It looks like it may be infected. You should go find a medical professional. So I write back and I say, there's a hurricane coming. Can we wait 24 hours?
Right? He goes to the bathroom, he throws his keys. He cuts everybody off, right? And he walks in like he owns the keys, right?
Yeah.
Chest puffed out. He knows he's that guy.
Stuff you don't say is amazing.
Exactly.
My husband agrees with me. He thinks that the things I don't say are the best.
So for me, I really fell into LinkedIn. That was my jam. But what's your sweet spot? What do you enjoy doing?
Something that you wanted to do. Things like maybe societal norms, tradition.
So I could say it's, I had all that opportunity, but then I had a crisis because once I got to my hotel room, I called him. Over time, I decided, I'm going to keep this up. It was easy. It's every day. It's just a little choice. You make a choice to get out of bed. Make a choice to go for a job.
And guess what the best receptacle is for one's homemade popcorn to take to the movie? Well, that would be the plastic bag that the newspaper came in that day.
Oh,
Because it's very long, right? Yes, yeah. Because we're going to save money, right?